Oh!
Nicholas. Hi. Nicholas, why you don't want to go to the Philippines right now?
Price, ladies more high prices, not so friendly. They looking more friendly with Korean tourists, and also not so safety. It's, like in Thailand more safety, in Philippines more criminal. So this feeling different. And, because why? You know, can't go there.
Okay, okay.
But maybe later
Later,
No.
maybe later you
can be
will go.
better. Yes,
Mostly massage.
some bars, but
Ага, бар.
for massage.
This massage, okay.